That was the lamest nade throw I've ever seen.
It was like, woo.
Airsoft is back. I've returned from my trip. My life is all settled down just the way I like it, and I get to do what I enjoy on the weekends once again. Playing dress up and slinging that sweet, sweet plastic.
Oh, I'm dead. I think that got me.
See on the other side.
Yeah, okay, here on the left side, dude.
Yeah. I think I see a face.
Get him. Oh, dude, you're not so quiet.
One dead at the top. Another one baseball cap, 10 baseball cap up there. I'm gonna book it left.
Alright, you want me to cover?
Yeah, I'm all good. Oh, taking shots, taking shots. Taking a lot of shots. Yeah. Yeah.
Is that Matt and him?
Okay, I'm gonna hold. I'm still here, but I'm gonna be behind you guys. Let's go. Okay, they're moving up the far corner, like in the bush. So there's about 5 or 6.
This is what I'm gonna do.
Yes. Get out of here. Get out of here.
I got a van, too.
Your friends shoot you? Yeah. That's what happens when there's no enemies to shoot at. We just shoot each other. Yeah, boys! There it is. Oh, I got a little sweaty.
You held that down.
That was good. Woo. Hell yeah, yeah.
wizard does not find his staff. It finds him. Now let the song begin.
I'm gonna run the pink area.
Windmill, is windmill clear?
No.
Hey, windmill.
Yep.
That was the lamest nade throw I've ever seen.
It was like,
Landed like
so it wasn't close is what you're
yeah,
saying.
it also didn't go off.
Oh, it didn't go off. Well, okay. It's also empty.
Ah, great.
I lost my bottom part.
You're a bottom?
I was like, where am I? One down green by the pink barrier. One down pink barrier.
Nice shot.
Yeah, thanks.
You got me right in like the baggy. So.
Oh, good, good.
I think I stuck the perfect line too.
We don't take a shot from
Shoot me if you drive a Kia Soul.
Alrighty, that's it for today. Still got some partial field closures at my local field, but it seems like that's coming to an end soon. So looking forward to some full field action pretty quick here before things get chilly. It's good to be back. See you guys soon.